What you need: 2 centimetre wide strips of paper, pencil, glue stick, scissors, hole punch and some string. So this is the heart decoration we're going to make for this one. It's got quite a few strips of paper in this. You can choose to have the same amount or maybe less, whatever works. I've also drawn on the outside strips just to give it a bit more detail. So for mine I've chosen a range of colours, and I'm going to just organise them into the colours that I want and what order they'll need to be. So I'm doing 4 strips of paper for this one. Now because the heart is the same on both sides and we're joining them together, I need to do twice the amount of strips. So I'm going to lay 2 of each colour down. That's got a little mark on it. Turn them over, then you won't see it. Right, the last one down. Lining them up, making sure they're all even. Going to see how small the first heart's going to be, so I'm going to mark that out. Here we go, and I'll make it right across both strips. There we go. Next one, so the next one's going to be a little bit bigger, so I need to measure them up so that I know what length. There we go. Do that with the third one, that's going to be bigger still. And then the last strip is going to be this whole length. So I'm just going to try and make it easier and put the 2 strips on top of each other, and then I can cut it once and I know that both strips will be the same size. And then again, put it in the right order so that you know which one you're starting with. And you need to do this with all your strips. So cut them to the right length and then put them into the right order. Once you have them in the right order, we're going to start adding the glue. So add some glue across the top and put the bottom up. Line them up, squeeze them together. You've done the first part of your heart. Then you need to do the next strip. So add some more glue to the top. Make sure it is sticking down. There we go, add the glue. The next strip, line it up, put it down, give it a bit of a squeeze. Turn it over, add some more glue, and then flip the bottom up. Right, the third strip. Again, adding the glue across the top. Take your time, make sure you've got enough glue on there. Line it up, squeeze it down, turn it over, and put it on. Now we've got to do the last one. Add the glue, grab your strip, line it up, turn it over, do the same on this side. The 1/2 of your heart is finished. Now you need to repeat it with the other side, so do exactly the same thing in the same order. Now both sides are finished, join them together and see how it looks. That's what it's going to be like once it's been glued. So we're going to grab your glue stick, again we're going to glue along the bottom, get a nice heavy bit of glue on there to make sure it's really going to stick. Grab the other half, put it on top, again give it a bit of a squeeze, and if you're worried about it undoing, stick a peg on the end and let it dry. So now it's ready to have the string attached. So get a length of string, tie it into a loop, so join the two ends together, wrap them around your fingers. It's a little bit tricky. Put them in and carefully pull the knot closed. I always push the knot to the end because I want the biggest loop. Right, this one, instead of punching the holes, we're going to glue the string in. So open up the middle of your heart, really add lots of glue, make sure there's plenty there for it to stick on. I'm going to glue both sides. I really want the string to stick tightly in here. Then I'm going to carefully slide my string in. And again, it's a little bit tricky, so take your time. And then I'm just going to squeeze it shut in the middle, trying not to press the tops of my hearts, otherwise they'll be pointy hearts. So there we go. Now my string's attached. I'm just going to let that dry, or add a little bit more glue if we need to. There we go, squeeze it, make sure it's got the string in between. And then we'll leave that to dry.